topic is the excess and the bad effects of planet Venus. Now, yes, this is a very important topic because Venus, everybody wants Venus, planet Venus. Everybody talks about that how beneficial planet Venus can be. But it is very, very important to understand that is it possible for everybody to even handle this planet energies in a correct way or not? Because see, Venus, the kind of I would say benefits and benefits and resources that planet Venus gives, along with that you must have some sort of guidance to even handle that powerful energy and handle that much of prosperity and that much of I would say wealth, things attached with it, whether it's glamour, whether it's the attraction towards the other gender or the other gender getting attracted towards you. It's the morning time, and I'm just trying to capture this video. So the camera must be really, really rotating here and there because taking this video myself. So yes, so like I was saying, that planet Venus is associated with real benefits and real resources, provided that what and how much are you nicely dealing with it. Okay, so let's get started. See, you need to understand, like I said, the planet Venus is concerned to be a very healthy planet, but only once you know how to take care of it. Okay, now the negative effects of planet Venus, you need to understand the negative effects of planet Venus are, and these are practical effects that I'm telling you. First of all, the person gets very greedy when the Venus percentage, the energy increases more than it should be. Like they always say that extreme is bad for everything, isn't it? And it's something like excess of everything is bad and balance of everything is very, very important. That's exactly what I'm trying to say, that Venus should only be that much that gives prosperity and that gives good results to you. However, if it increases in excess way, it can give you bad effects and it can just transfer your life or put your life upside down as well. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. So now the person becomes extremely greedy. See, a greed, little bit of greed has to be there for competition level, a healthy sort of a greed. But a greed in which you start feeling jealous, you start feeling that, you know, why someone else is having a good business or why someone's work is more flourishing than mine. These are the thoughts which are very, very negative when it comes to planet Venus. And this thought process is actually brought by the negative effects of planet Venus. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say. Now, another important thing when it comes to this planet is that one is a greed, like I mentioned. The other thing is also that, you know, it also deals with things which are full of jealousy. That, for example, if you will see someone's partner being nice with them, like a couple, you cannot take that thing that if you had a fight with your boyfriend or your husband or your wife for that matter, in excess, when Venus works in a negative aspect, it just cannot see people happy around itself. You know, it's like, why, if I'm not happy, why other people are happy? So that form of jealousy, that form of stuff which actually talks about you understanding that if I'm not happy, no one else should be happy. This is there. Okay. Also, the fact that you will be obsessed with luxury cars, you will be obsessed with luxury overall for that matter. So, if you actually see someone has purchased a luxury car, maybe from your friend circle or maybe from your known ones, you know, relatives for that matter, you will feel extremely jealous. And if you're not having that capacity to buy at that time, you will feel extremely jealous and, oh my god, you know, this person has already taken the car, why I'm not able to take it? So you're always in a situation, in a thought process where you're never satisfied, you're always complaining. Okay, these are the negative, you're never contented with whatever you have. Okay, these are the negative forms of planet Venus in excess. Okay, also when it is not in a correct position or in a correct percentage, then of course you can have extramarital affairs, you can have wandering eyes, you can have disloyalty factors attached with you. So all these things are included in planet Venus excess access. You will be, if you're a girl, you will be extremely obsessed with cosmetics, makeup and everything. It's good to do makeup, it's good to maintain yourself, but in excess that nothing else is coming in your mind, and you only want that you should be looking good, and your whole life is going into, of course if you're from this profession of the glamour field it's different, but if you actually obsessed with the fact that no, even I have to go downstairs, I will put on the makeup, only then I will go, this is not correct. This is not a balancing Venus, you understanding? So these are few things, and of course like I said that even the cheating ability in finances also, for that matter, because when excess of greed happens, only then you can run away with someone's money as well. This is also one of the major issues with planet Venus, excess and wrong percentage. Okay, so this is about it. I wanted to brief you about few major points that can actually, like I said, completely put your life haywire, and that's exactly what I wanted to mention. So balance out the Venus. It is very important for you to balance each and every planet's energy. Otherwise, it has positive effects, definitely it has, but it also comes along with the negative effects and effects that you can't even imagine. And this is with all the planets, but today we talked about the planet Venus negativity. Okay, so next week I'll see you with another topic. Till then, goodbye.